Now let's get on to modify the header. On article, on number 2, let's copy the code. And go to the header components on our code editor. It will be on source, components, and header.client.jsx. Select all of the code, and then override it. Tidy up the code for a little. And then on below the code, add a parenthesis and curly braces. Then save this up and go back to our browser. And now you can see the browser and our header has been changed to a centered header and with a blue border. Next, we will add another components called hero. Go back to the documentation. First, we need to go to the layout section. We need to modify it first. Copy the code. Get back the editor. Then go to layout.server.jsx. Scroll down until you found the div class name like this on line 42. Overwrite the div. Then we need to erase the gray background on our project by deleting the BG gray 50. Save it up. And that's all to modify the layout server.jsx. Next thing we need to do is create the function and file for the hero components. Add hero.client.jsx to the components folder. Then create an export default function, hero, with parentheses and curly braces. Save it up. Next, we need to move an image to our folder. So go to the editor and we need to create a folder called assets and images on the components folder. Correction on the source folder. And let's drag and drop our images that we will be used on the hero components. Drag and drop. This is the image that we will be using for today. You can change the image on whatever image that you would like. We need next to simplify the image import by copying up this code. Copy up Go back to the editor, add a file called index.js, then paste it. We will need to export the image that we imported before as PNG. Then next thing is we need to import the image to the hero file, and also we will be also needing link. Then import the image on top of the file. Import link from Shopify header again. Then we will need to copy the code to our hero function. Paste it on our function, then save it. We're not quite done yet. There are some classes that are not provided by Tailwind, so we need to edit ourselves. Copy the code, that is add layer components until VIP and parentheses, not including the add layer utilities. Go to the index.css, paste our code there. That's all for creating hero and also creating header. Let's meet up on the next part of our video.